Today we want to look at using the Ti-Nspire CX Navigator teacher software to help you create more accessible lessons. Many students become comfortable using graphing calculators by the time they complete high school math courses. But for some students with disabilities, they are not able to fully utilize the calculators. These students are often not able to reach their full potential in their math courses, and in some cases are even prevented from taking the more advanced math or science courses. By using the software, we can switch from a handheld view, which will allow us to see the 5-number summary, but it's pretty small, and you can imagine if you had a visual impairment that would be difficult to read. I can switch from handheld to keypad and side screen. This screen is zoomed in at 200%. It makes it much easier to see the values as I go across my 5-number summary. 200% is not the maximum level. Students would have the ability to zoom in even more. Up to about 220 fits on my screen, but the actual zoom amount would depend on the resolution of your screen. This image is also very convenient to project and have the entire class look at and analyze. Also, students have the ability to download student software onto their own computers. The software comes with each handheld or can be purchased separately, enabling the students to work on a computer-based graphing calculator that functions exactly the same as a handheld, but allows them to see a bigger screen, zoom in more, and also for students with dexterity that might have issues pushing the different buttons on the calculator. These students can benefit from using the mouse instead of the trackpad to maneuver around, and the keyboard or other input devices which they have been trained to use. Another advantage to using the Navigator teacher software is that you can take a screenshot of a graph that you've created by clicking on the camera and saying capture page. You can then take that image over into Word and paste it so that as you're creating worksheets, lessons, presentations, or assessments, you can use the graphs that the students are already familiar with on their calculator instead of having to generate by hand or find other images online. I hope this lesson has helped give you some ideas of what you can do to make graphing calculators more accessible to your students. Enjoy your day.